Okay, so I'm back with the 1701 Powerfore Helix Turbo. So let me check. Is this 1701 model? That's not good. The label just got ripped off. It's terrible, but I'm sure it's a 1701. Yeah. So this was probably manufactured in 2016 or 17. I don't know for sure, but we tested it and it works great. So let me give you a run. It's not that loud, but I'd still be careful with your volume. All right, so does pretty well. So I'm gonna set the camera down and give her a run. We get some shredded paper. All right. There we go. Yeah, that's all we need. All right, so can the camera see that? Move back just a little. All right, so here we go. Oh, shit. There goes Beaver. Alright, that did pretty well, but I had to go over it a few times. But it did an alright job, so. But anyways, that does it for the video. Here, let me give you a result. Let me show you up close of what it picked up in the canister. Alright. That's a lot, but did an alright job. So, but anyways, that does about it for the video. Please comment, subscribe for more.